Good morning. Wanted to come to you this morning from Real Turf Solutions, give you some updates and some things that we've made some changes on. One of those changes is we have a new website. Same URL code, realturfsolutions.com, just got a new look to it. Just wanted to give you the heads up. In that new website, you will see a number of features that have changed to give you better access to your information, to what's going on at Real Turf, and all those great things. So a couple of those features are we've got a chat box in there, so if you have any questions or you're online, you can actually chat us right there online. You don't even have to call the office anymore. You can chat right there with us through that service. We have someone who answers that chat service, so therefore they can answer and respond to any of your needs or your calls in the middle of the night or whatever during normal business hours. Hey, the other thing that's on there as well is we started a blog. So if you're a blogger and you like to follow blogs and read blogs and all that great stuff, we've got a blog for you there on our Facebook page as well. Some of the things that are going on in the landscape business, some of the things that are going on in the landscape industry, different things, the plants or new things that we see that are out and about. So we've got that there as well for you. We also have a calendar. That calendar is on there for you to give you an idea of what's going on. Some of our specials that we're going to be running, different things that we've got going on throughout the season. Maybe there's a home show or a garden show. So it kind of gives you just kind of a rundown of the things that are going on there as well. We've also got a weather page on there. So we have taken and that weather page updates and kind of gives you the information of the local weather in our area. It kind of keeps you up to date of any kind of weather issues, weather alerts, those kind of things. A couple of other features as always, we have our forums page. So if you need to fill out customer survey, customer requests for information, or those kind of things, there's a link right there on our website. You can log in, and then you can put in a review. You can put in information. You can request information right there off of our website. And one of the final things is we also have a career page on there. So if you know someone who's looking for the landscape industry or looking to get into the landscape industry, we've got that career page on there so they can check out what available careers we have here at Real Turf. There's always something in the industry, and there's always something and an opening in our industry and in our business. And so we're always looking for those good minds, those bright minds who are looking for an opportunity or a career in the landscape industry. Some people say, hey, well, the landscape industry, that means I got to run a weed eater every day. Well, it doesn't. We still have office staff. We still have administrators. We have managers. We have IT professionals. We have marketing folks. And so in our industry and in our market and in our business in particular, we have a gamut of those areas. And so we very well may have a career that fits what you are looking for or what you know someone's looking for. So one of the other features that a lot of our customers use through our website is they use the client portal, and where they can log in, they can access all of that information, they can access your account, they can pay their invoices, they can see their invoices. All of that information is still there. All of that information is still on our website. And so you're still able to log in through our website to all of that. You can put in service requests. You can do other forms and other information. So what you can do is log in just like you normally do or you have in the past. If you don't have a login to the portal and you would like one, please contact our office and we'll be more than happy to set you up with a login and a password so you can see all of your account information up to date as checks are applied or payments are made or our bills are sent out and invoices are done as well. So hope that feature helps you as well. So check out our website. I hope you like it. One of the other things that we're going to do with our website is we're also running a photo contest. So our photo contest is this. We want you to go out and take one of those photos of your landscape. Be a property that we maintain, be a property that you self-maintain. Maybe it's a planter pot. Maybe it's just something out in your garden that you've done. And then what we want you to do is we want you to post that on our Facebook page. And then we'd like for you to share our page and get your friends to vote for your photo. We're going to have the period of time. We're going to run down that list of folks, see who got the most votes, and then those people will get a complimentary prize of a hanging basket or some annual flowers or those kind of things that we'll get out to you as well. So, hey, join us in on our photo contest. Get out there, show some of that landscape off that you've created, that we may have created, someone else may have created. But give us a photo, share it on Facebook, and then have your friends vote on it. And we'll look forward to announcing the winners here in the next week.